Welcome to Zeo Route Planner. In this video, we will see how to edit an already created route. To edit the route, go to the dashboard, where you can see the route. I have already created a route here on Zeo platform. On the right side of the route, you can see 3 dots. Click on it. You will find multiple actions that you can perform on the already created route. Click on Edit. You will be redirected to a page comprising of all the stops. You can edit the route title along with the start location and end location. You can also edit start and end date with their time. The edit and delete options are available on the right of each stop. You can add the stops to the route through the search option. Once done, click on Save and Optimize again. The route will be successfully edited. Thanks for watching.